we are going to know how to install and download the software, that is the ANSYS software. This is the best software for the CAE, for the computer aided engineering purposes. So in this the description we are going to give the link from where you can download the software, and in this video we are going to learn how to make the installation process. Okay, so in this way you will get after downloading from the description link, you will get a file like this one, academic student 2021. Then after opening it, you will find here a setup of 982 KB. So right click on this and then make it to run as administrator. Okay, right click on this, from here make it to run as administrator. Okay, so now again it will ask for permission, then we give it the permission to yes, then something will open like a dialog box. It may take a second or minutes, so wait until the process will done. Okay, so after that just double click on this setup. Okay, just double click on this, then a dialog box will be opened. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, make it to show it the permission. So now a dialog box will be opened of ANSYS software. It may take a while, just wait for a minute. Okay, so in this way a new dialog box will be opened of the software ANSYS. So from here we can read the license agreement carefully. I have read it, so you can also read it when it will be in your it is basically made based on the keys or the shortcut ways. So from here just make it to I agree and then make it to next. Then here we will find a installation directory. So I have saved in the C program files. You can also change it by using a browse command. Okay, so from here let's make space required for 29 and disk space available. Mine it is 151 GB and only required is 29 GB, so I can easily install it. For this, try first make this your software is Windows of 64-bit and also of 4 GB RAM minimum, otherwise it may hang in the 2 GB software 2 GB RAM laptop. So prefer to 4 GB laptop, and for this processor should be 64-bit Windows. Okay, so space available is 151 and the space required is just 29, so make it to next from here. Okay, it may take a time to complete the process. So let's see what will come after this one. Wait until this will complete to 100%. Do not back or refresh anything. Preferred for the installations process. When it will complete this 100%, actually I have completed and made it exit, so I am showing from this video. So after that, when you will finish this 0 to 100%, it will take approx 30 minutes. Then you have to click on this exit, and then you will get out of this software and your software will be successfully installed. Then going on this start, here you will get the files of these ANSYS. So there are two mainly files of the ANSYS on which we have to work. That are the first, that is the mechanical APDL, and then second, that is the workbench. So for the mechanical, it is mostly preferred to work with workbench. So from here this workbench, just double click on this and it will open in just a minutes. Okay, when we have double click, a file, a folder or display will look like this, and it will start initializing the license. After the 2 or 3 minutes after the process will be done, it will bring to the screen. Okay, so hold on for some minutes, then it will start like this. We will go like similar. In this way it will take a little time to make it complete the process of the installation. Actually the software has been installed, only it is opening, so for the first time use it may take a little time, and it also depends upon the RAM of our laptop. So in this way we can see that our workbench has been opened successfully. And also you can, if you know, you can work with that mechanical APDL also. Okay, so in this way the front portion of the ANSYS software has been completely done. If you have any doubt, or if you have any got any problems or restrictions during the downloading or installation, you may usually comment on us and we will reply it, or also you can go on our Gmail and you can contact us with through that. We are having the contact of the Gmail in our descriptions, so you can go there. And thank you for watching.